Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to see company reviews on Indeed. Reading company reviews can give you valuable insight into the work environment, culture, and employee experiences before applying. So, let's get started on how to see company reviews on Indeed. Start by opening the Indeed app on your device. Go to the profile section by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on the hamburger icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Select the My Demographics option. Scroll down and tap on Browse Companies. Find the company you want to see reviews for. Tap on the company's name to open its page. Scroll to the left to find and tap the Reviews option. Scroll down to read reviews from other people for this company. And that's how you can see company reviews on Indeed. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.